So exercise 12.2 question number 5. The rhombus shape of field has in the green grass for 18 cow to graze. So rhombus means what? All sides are same. Clear? Rhombus means what? All sides are same. So if each side of the rhombus is 30, so it means what? All sides are 30, 30, 30. And its longer diagonal is 48, so we can draw its diagonal. So it is 48 centimeter, meter. So how much area of grass field will each cow be getting? So first of all, we can give its name A, B, C and D. So rhombus, we have one rhombus whose name is ABCD, and we can divide rhombus into two triangles. It is first and it is second triangle. See that A, it is first triangle over ABD, second it is BCD. So first of all, we can find the area of ABD. Then it is the same area as BCD because both have a same measurement. See 30, 30, 30, 30 and diagonal is 48. So for first of all, we can find the area of ABD. So we can write for triangle ABD. So S is equal to what? A plus B plus C divided with 2. So what is A? 30 plus 48 plus 30 divided with 2. So it is 108 divided with 2. So answer it is 54 meter. Now we can find its area. So what is S? It is 54. 54 minus 30, 48 and 54 minus 30. So 54 means 6 9s are 54. Next, it is 24. Here it is, so it is 6 and once again it is 24. So we have a pair of 6 6. So we can write 6. Then we have a pair of 24 24 and 9. The square root of 9 it is 3. Clear? So now 6 3s are 18. So 24 into 18. 8 4s are 32. 3 carry 16 plus 3 19. So it is 432 meter square. Next. So what is the area of rhombus? So area of rhombus ABCD is equal to 2 into area of triangle ABD. It is triangle ABD because it is a twice. Clear? It is a twice area of that because this and this area have one same. So 2 into 432. So 432 2s are 2 2s are 4 6. So it is 864 meter square. Now they are asking what? How much area of grass field which each cow get? So we can write area of each cow get is equal to total area divided with number of cow. So total area it is 864. It is divided with 18 because here we have a total 18 cows. Now divide with, so here 9s are divided with 2. So here 4, 3 and 2. Once again we can divide with 9 divided with 432. So 9 4s are 36. So 13 minus 6 it is 7. Here 0. 7 9 7s are 7 9s are 7 8s are 7 8s are 72. So answer it is 48 meters. So it means what? Area of each cow get, it is 48 meter square. So now next sum, question number 6. Here we have one umbrella. It is made by stitching a 10 triangle. How many triangle we have? 10 triangle. We have one umbrella in which we have a 10 triangle. piece of cloth of a two different color. So it means what? This and this both have a different color. Clear? These both have the different color like that. Next, and each piece is measuring 20, 50, 50. So it is 20, this side is 50, this is also 50, and it is 20. So each we have the measurement of triangle. So how much cloth each color is required for a umbrella? So for that we can start like that. First of all, area of one triangle. Area of one triangle. So first of all we can find S, semi-perimeter. So what is S? 50 plus 20 plus 50 divided with 2. So 120 divided with 2. So it is 60. So it is 60 meter. Clear? It is 60 centimeter. Now S, then we can find its area. S minus A, B and S minus C. What is S? S means 60, then 60 minus 50, then 60 minus 20 and 60 minus once again 50. So 60 means what? 10 6 here 10, here 40 and here once again 10. So here we have a pair of 10 10 and here 40 means what? Once again we can divide 6 and here 10 4s. So 10 10. So once again we can take a square root of 10, and what is the square root of 4? It is 2. So 100. So it is 200 root 6 centimeter square. Now they are asking what? Both have a 5 5 color triangular. Clear? So how much cloth each color required for a umbrella? So area of each color required is equal to, so 5 into 200 root 6. Clear? Because each color have the 5 shape, each color have a 5 shape. So 5 into 200, so it is 1000 root 6 centimeter square. So it means what? Each color required how many cloth? 1000 root 6 centimeter square. Now the next question, question number 7. So a kite in a shape of square. So it is square, we can give its name A, B, it is C and it is D. Here we can also give its name E and F. Shape with the diagonal is 32. So this diagonal is 32 centimeter and this is also 32 centimeter. Both have a same measurement because in a square both diagonal have the same measurement. And isosceles triangle have the base of 8. So it is isosceles triangle. Isosceles means what? Two sides are same and base is given 8 and sides both are 6 6. Is to be made of the 3 different shades. So we have a 3 shade. It is first, we can use the different color chalk. So it is first shape, it is second, and this is our third triangle. So we have a 1 2 and 3 triangle. Now next, as shown in figure, so how much paper of each shade has been used? So we can find the area of first shade, then second, then third. So for first of all we can write for shade 1. So for a shade 1, here I am drawing the triangle, so you can give the idea. So it is 32. It is all 32, so it is 16 16. So it is 16. Here we can give its name A, B and D. So here we can use which formula? 1 by 2 base into height, because base is given and height is also given. Clear? So here we do not require we do not require the Heron formula. Here we are directly use which formula? 1 by 2 base into height. So we can write for shade 1, area of triangle ABD is equal to 1 by 2 base into height. So 1 by 2, what is base? It is 32, and what is height? 16. So 16 it is 256 centimeter square. So for a second it having the same area, so we can write area of triangle BCD is equal to also 256 centimeter square, because see that I am drawing the rough figure. B, C and D, it is 32 and this is 16, because this is the half measurement of this line, so it is 16 and it is also 16. So next, now for a third, so it is CEF. For shade 3, it is for shade 2. Now for a shade 3, we are using Heron formula, because the all side having the different measurement, isosceles triangle. So for a shade 3, we can write A plus B plus C divided with 2. So what is A? 6 plus 8 plus 6 divided with 2. So 12 plus 8, 20. So it is 10 centimeter. Now S minus A, B and S minus C. What is S? It is 10. 10 minus 6, 10 minus 8 and 10 minus 6. So 10 means 5 2s are. It is 4. It is 2. Once again 4. So we have a pair of 4 4. And we have also the pair of 2 2. So what is answer? 8 root 5 centimeter square. So for each area, for a first 256, second we have the same, and for a third shape we have the how much area we required? It is 8 root 5 centimeter square. A floor design. So we have the one floor design on a floor. It is made of the 16 tiles. So see that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 and 16 tiles, which are in the triangular shape. It is in a triangle shape. We can draw the one roughly, so you can just give idea. So it is a one tile, it is in like that shape, and the triangle being 9, so this side is 9, it is 28 and it is 35. So it is a triangle shape. Clear? It is a one kind of a triangle shape because it have the 3 side. See the figure. Find the cost of polishing the tiles. The rate is 50 paise per centimeter square. So first of all, we can find the area for a one tile. Clear? So we can start like that. Area of a one tile. So S is equal to A plus B plus C divided with 2. So what is A? 9, 28 and 35. 9, 28 and 35 divided with 2. So we can add this all. 35, 28 and 9. 16, 17, 17 plus 5, 22. 5, 72 divided with 2. So it is 36. It is 36 centimeter. Now next, area is equal to, what is Heron formula? S minus A, B and C. So what is S? 36. 36 minus 9, 36 minus 28 and 36 minus 35. So 36 means square root of 36, it is 6. Now 36 minus 9, it is 27. 36 minus it is 6. 8, sorry. 36 minus 28 and it is 1. So we can write like that. 27 means 9 3s are, and here 4 2s are. So what is the square root of 9 and 9? It is 3. And what is the square root of 4? It is 2. And 3 2s are 6. So 6 3s are 18. 18 2s are, it is 30. 3 2s are 6. 6 6 are 36. Clear? 36 root 6 centimeter square. So it means what? Area of a one tile, it is 36 root 6 centimeter square. So we have in the total how many? We have in the total 16 tiles. So area of a 16 tile is equal to 16 into 36 root 6. So 36 into 16. So it will be 6 3 is 18 plus 21. So it is 576 centimeter square. Now they are also asking for a polishing rate. So it means what? We can write like that. 1 centimeter square price is 0.50. Clear? 50 paise means 0.50. So for a 576 root 6 centimeter square is equal to how much? So 576 root 6 into 0.50 means 50 upon 100. So 5 2s are 2. So here we have a 2 2s are 8s are 16 1. Once again, so it is 288 root 6 288 into root 6. But if you take the value of root 6 in scientific calci, so its value is approximately 2 point something. Sorry, 3 point something. Clear? So 288 into 3 point something. So answer approximately it is 288 3s are. So 8 3s are 24, 24 26, 7. So it is approximately we can give the answer, it is 864. But behind the book they are giving the answer in approximately figure. Clear? So in examination, if you are writing directly like that, rupees, so it is also the right answer, because in examination we cannot find the value of root 6 because we haven't the scientific calci. So we can write directly only 288 root 6 rupees. It is a symbol of rupees. Rupees. Now next sum. Question number 9. Last sum of that chapter. Field in the shape of trapezium whose parallel sides are 25 and 10. So parallel side means this and this. So first of all it is in trapezium shape because these two are a parallel side. So it is 10 and 25, it is given. And the non-parallel sides are 14 and 13, it is also given. So we can give its name ABCD and the all side measurements are given. So find the area of a field. So if you want to find the area of trapezium, what is its formula? Area of trapezium is equal to 1 by 2, then sum of parallel side into height. So this is the formula for a area of trapezium which we already learned in standard 8. So first of all we have the sum of parallel side, both sides are given, but height is we haven't the value of height. So how can we find the height? So for that we can draw this line, see that this, and we can draw the line like that. So it is also 13 because this and these are a parallel line. Next it is total 10, so it is also 10 because it is a now parallelogram. So it is 15, this is 15 and this is 10. So total is 25. Clear? Total it is 25. Now see that this is a one kind of triangle, so we can give its name. Here we can give its E. Clear? So BCE. So first of all we can find the area of BCE and we can also draw the one height. Clear? So it is actually the height of the trapezium. So for that first of all we can find for area triangle BEC, for a area of BEC. So for a BEC, for area of BEC, Here we have a three side 13, 15 and 14. So S A plus B plus C divided with 2. So 13 plus 15 plus 14 divided with 2. So now addition of this all 13, 14 and 15. 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 3 12. So it is 42. 42 divided with 2, it is 21. So now area is equal to S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. So what is S? It is 21. Then 21 minus 13, 21 minus 14 and 21 minus 15. 21 means 7 3s are 21, then 21. So it is 8, 7 and it is 6. So now make a pair. So we have a pair of 7 7. So we can take 7. Here 3 is as usual. 8 means 4 2s are and 6 means 3 2s are. So now we have a pair of 3 3. Then pair of 2 2. And the square root of 4, it is also 2. So what is its answer? 7 3s are 21, 2 2s are 4. So 4 2s are, it is 84 centimeter square. So what is the area of this triangle? Area of BCE is equal to 84. Now we are using that formula. Area of triangle BCE is equal to 1 by 2 base into height. So area we have 84. 1 by 2 as usual. What is base? Base it is given 15 and height we want to find out the height. So this 2 is going second side. So 84 into 2 and this is going second side. So it is, now divide. So these both are divided with 3 3, 3 5s are, and here we have a 3 2s are 6, 3 8s are 24. Now 28 2s are. So 28 2s are, it is 56. Now 56 is divided with 5. So 5 1s are 5. Once again 5. So we can write like that as usual. Height is equal to 56 divided with 5. Clear? 56 divided with 5 centimeter. Now the last portion, area of trapezium. What is its formula? Area of trapezium ABCD is equal to 1 by 2 into sum of parallel side. So it is 10 plus 25 into height. It is also 56 upon 5. Now it is 35. 5 7s are. Here 2. So here we have a 28. So 28 7s are. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 5, it is 90. So it is 196 centimeter square. So what is the area of trapezium? It is 196 centimeter square. So you must remember one thing is what? If you want to find out the area of trapezium, you must require a height. And how can we find the height? From, first of all, we can make the triangle. Clear? So first of all, we can find the area of triangle. After finding the area of triangle, we can find the height from second formula. And when we find this, we can find the height from that formula. We can use that height in our area of trapezium. So it is a very different sum from all other sums. So you must remember that sum. So the chapter number 12 is now over.